The most interesting piece is this little sensor here, which is again nothing special. There's a little bit of gold, I think, on this little guy here, but other than that there's not much else. So what we have here, we also have some ribbons. Let's take the ribbons out. These have gold on them, gold little tips. Cut them, whatnot. Like I said, this is all scrap, not very useful. There is this little motor over here. This little guy here. Bring it up closer. So we have this little sensor here, this little motor here. Sensor has a little bit of gold over there, and that's pretty much it for that. Then we have the laser. Someone had already removed the little screw over here, so all you have to do is pop that out. This laser, this is the most interesting part of the Blu-ray drive. We have this here is magnetic again, so you have little magnets of what's somewhat here, and you have little itty bitty pieces of copper there. But we have quite a bit of gold. All of this here is gold. There's a connector there. Where is it? There's a few other ones here. Should be some gold in here. There you go, probably some gold in there. This is aluminum, but there's two diodes on this guy. I already took one apart just to show you guys. This is actually from another laser, but they're all pretty similar. There's this little guy here, this little diode. There you go. So there's a little bit of gold over there. There's a second one, which is pretty much the same thing. Got a little gold over here. And like you can see, there's some boards, whatnot. Not too much. And then we got this little spindle here, which is not much. A little motor, I guess. I'm sure there's some copper in here. There's gold in this little connector here. That's pretty much here. We have another little motor here. Your basic steel. This is stainless, little bars here, stainless steel. You got your screws, which are probably also stainless steel, because everything in here is rusted except for the screws and these bars. So it's pretty good. And there's another little ribbon here with some gold tips again.